Yes, hello everyone, welcome to the next Femite video tutorial. Now for this episode I'm going to show you how to find out if your laptop is using a SSD hard drive versus a hard drive, or what we call the first time hard drive. So you want to find out if it is using a hard drive, what we call, some persons refer to it as all-time hard drive, or these newer ones that are known as solid state drive. So again, this one is a solid state drive. As you realize, it is much lighter, and this one is what we call a hard drive, much heavier. So the main difference between these two is that the solid state drive, they're actually faster in terms of size. They are increasing the amount of size, because like last year, they're about, most places you can find like up to a terabyte. Now I'm seeing like 4 terabyte SSD online, and so really improving. So how to find out if your laptop is running a solid state drive or hard drive? Let's go. So this is mine. It is actually showing that mine is running a solid state drive. So how to reach this screen? Once you're on your desktop section of the laptop like this, you just simply need to press the Windows key, which is this one, and then you're going to press S, and you're going to launch this box. Now you're going to type in DEFRAG, enter, and that box will come up on your screen telling you if you're running a hard drive or a solid state drive on your laptop. Again, the difference between the solid state and the hard drive is that the solid state, they're actually much faster. When you power up your laptop, actually take just a few seconds to boost up and usable. As for the hard drive, first time thing, when you turn on your laptop or your desktop, have a tendency to take sometime 3 minutes, 2 minutes to actually boot up fully, so that you're able to use it. So advantage for the solid state is that much faster. You get access to use your laptop much quicker than normal. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.